In this video I will show you how to sign up as a teacher in Khan Academy. So first head over to khanacademy.org. Click on sign up. Click on teacher. It shows your Google account. And here just let's allow access. Click continue. We'll be directed to Khan Academy, so add your first name, last name, etc. So you got this, guys. It's got a first name mold. First auto mold continue. So here, after you successfully signed up as a teacher, you will be directed to create a class. So here you have to create a class for your students. Add your class name, import class from Google Classroom. You can also assign students. So here you can assign students, access resources of the teachers, etc. So you can explore also the math classes or any other teaching tools in the Khan Academy, and this is pretty much it, guys. So, a few simple steps you will learn how to create and sign up as a teacher in Khan Academy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.